Look at this, guys. This is my finishing touch on my goat head soup today. And that's what I'm going to be having for dinner. Okay, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to make some soup. So here are the ingredients that I am about to put in my pot. I have the goat head that's already been cut to size, whatever size you want it to be. And I have some pumpkin. I have some cock soup. I have thyme. I have onion. I have scallion. I have garlic. I have scotch bonnet pepper. I have some all-purpose seasoning. And I have yellow yam, and I have breadfruit and green banana. So along with the goat, because I like a lot of meat, so I'm going to be using some chicken feet, and I will be putting that in my soup as well. So come, let me show you how I do my thing. Okay guys, so I'm now cleaning my goat head, and these things, I don't know if it's the brain or something, but it's kind of soft and mushy. I don't put that in my pot, so I just clean these things out. I just take them out, and so I just look for it, and whenever I see any with it, I just take it out. I use some vinegar or lemon juice, and I wash it thoroughly. And then I'm going to put this to boil. I'm going to put a little all-purpose seasoning to it after I finish washing. And that's about it. It's going to boil, and then I'm going to add my rest of the ingredients. Finish washing and cleaning my goat head and my chicken toes. I washed it with vinegar, and I washed it about 2 to 3 times. I cut the toes off. I'm going to pour a little bit of Maggi all-purpose season all over this. My pumpkin, and what I have done with the pumpkin is I peel it and I cut the middle out. Like, that's where all the seeds and other stuff are. I'm gonna add this to the boiling water that I already have my chicken feet boiling. Guys, all I have here is the chicken feet in the water, and I have the pumpkin. I have the goat head in a separate pot. That's a pressure cooker pot, because I don't have as much time on my hands. So what I'm doing, I'm putting the goat head in the pressure for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to add the water and the goat head to this pot that already has the chicken foot and the pumpkin boiling. So when that is finished, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the goat head from this pot to this pot, and then I'm going to start adding in my other ingredients. So just come back, stay with me, and let me show you how I cook my Jamaican goat head soup. So this is a small amount of salt I'll be using, just on a little teaspoon, and then I'll be adding the water. So I just finished washing my hands properly. Sometimes I use gloves when I'm making my dumplings, but today I'm just gonna make them. So I'm just gonna add, I don't know how much water to tell you to use, because I just use my judgment, and I just mix the cornmeal in with the flour and the salt. Make sure everything is equally mixed, and that's how I do. Just mix it up, and then I will add the water. I don't have anybody holding my cameras today, so it's a bit difficult for me, but I will try to show you as much as possible. So I added some water in this mixture, and now I'm just turning and turning. and you see it's starting to become doughy. Could you add some water in here for me? Take up the water in the cup. Yep, tip a little bit in here. A little bit. Some more. More. Show till I tell you stop. Show more. More. Oh, a little more. Okay, stop.
Can I say something?
Oh, you want to say it?
You want to say something?
What would you like to say? Say what you're going to say.
Make sure you follow my mom on our YouTube channel.
Okay, thank you, my son. Yeah, I'll be showing you here a little bit of, how I do my Jamaican cooking. Yeah, so I'm going to mix the rest of dough in this pan, but this is kind of what you want to see when you're making your dumplings. This is a dough. So after I finish smoothing it out, I'll get back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, this is what my dough looks like after I've added everything, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. You just continue doing this until it's come together and it's smooth and soft. The trick to making good dumpling is you want to get your dough all smooth and soft. You don't want to have any dry parts in there. Everything should be like on the same level, soft and doughy, and so when you make your dumpling is going to taste different from when the flour is uneven and it's not fully smoothed out. So yeah, so my dough is together. All I have to do is let this sit here for like another 10 minutes, and then I just make my dumplings. Okay, so this is my pressure going, and it's been going for roughly 10 minutes. I'm going to give it another 3 minutes, then I'm going to cool it down. So I have to put this under the pipe and cool my pressure cooker down. Guys, you have to make sure that your pressure cooker pot is well cooled. You don't have to pressure the bowl, but because time is against me, I said, okay, let me do that for like 10-15 minutes. Then I'm going to add it to my other pot. This is where I have my chicken foot and my pumpkin boiling. So by the time my goat is ready, I'm going to add it to this pot. Then I'm going to add my dumpling, my corn, my yam. I even have a breadfruit. Sometimes you don't get that around here so much. And I'm going to add my ingredients. And as I go along, I will show you. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this in half, and I'm going to slice them small. And I'm going to peel my yam, and I'm going to take the skin off my corn. And the bananas, I won't be peeling these. I'll be just washing them, and I'll be taking the top here off. So I'll cut it about here, cut the top and the bottom off, like right here. And then I'm going to slice them, but you're going to see how I do them. And these are the majority of my ingredients that I'll be using in my goat head soup today. So just continue watching, and then you will see the finished product. So guys, I've cut my my breadfruit in half, and then this is what it looks like. I cut it and then I'll peel it. So I just cut it up in small chunks. Then I'm gonna cut this part out. This part, I'm gonna cut it like come down and make sure that part is out, and it's supposed to be looking like this one. I have already did some, so this is how it looks. And this is my yam. I'm just gonna catch some water on this to keep the yams covered so they don't change color. And then I'm just gonna put all my food kind in this pot plate, and then I will be back. Okay guys, so I've cooled down my pressure cooker pot, and this is the lid. I took it out to make sure there's no steam coming from it. And I'm just going to open my pressure cooker. And there you go, guys. This is my goat that has been boiled, and it's about ready to be added to my chicken foot pot. And guys, you want to be here to smell the aroma that's coming from this meat. This is a strong aroma. It smells so good, guys. So I'm just adding in the breadfruit in the pot, the yam. I'll be putting these in different stages because some is easier to cook than some. So the ones that's harder to cook, I just put them in first. And then I'll add the softer ingredients, which are going to be the banana, the carrots, and the corn. So these are where I put, these are not going to take too long to cook. So I'll add them in at a later date. Okay guys, so I'm showing you how I make my dough. Remember, you already saw how I made the flour come together, and this is what I do. And I'm going to add it to my pot with my rest of ingredients. So you just pop off, you know, whatever amount, whatever size you want your dumpling to be. I don't like mine's too big, so this is what I do. I just use my hands to kind of, you know, do this. And it's in, and you can make it easier. You could do this and roll it, and then you could use the side of your hands to know, you like flat it, something like this. It's good, it don't matter. So when I'm done, I'll come back and I'll show you what else I'll be adding to my pot. Okay guys, look at this. My soup is not yet ready, but this is all the ingredients that I've added. I'm gonna add my seasoning in another 10 minutes, and you will see the finishing product. So all you have to do is let these come to a boil until they're softly cooked. Then I'm gonna add my scallion, my thyme, my onion, my scotch bonnet pepper, my hot soup, and a little all-purpose seasoning and some salt. Okay guys, this is what I'll be using to season my goat head soup. I have half a medium onion, I have some scallion, one scotch bonnet pepper, I have some pimento seed, I have the cock soup, I have thyme, I have some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and I have 2 cloves of garlic. So I'll just add this to the pot and let it come to a boil, and in another 10 minutes my soup will be ready. So I just add everything in and just stir. Make sure stuff don't catch in the bottom of the pot. And all I have to do is just cover this. I put some salt in. You can use you know, portion whatever amount of salt you add that in, and you can taste and see how much salt you need. I don't want my soup to be too fresh or, you know, too salt, so I'll just taste as I go along. So when my soup is ready, I will come back and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, my goat head soup is about ready. I'm just about to plate this. This is just how I love it, and trust me, it tastes delicious. See the texture? Yep. And this, look at my dumplings, look at that. My chicken foot, my yam, my garlic, everything is in this, even breadfruit. I want to take this pepper out in my pot. So guys, you want to smell this. The aroma is just great. Makes you hungry. Look at that. I'm gonna plate this and let you see what it looks like. and then I'll come back. Look at this, guys. This is my finishing touch on my goat head soup today, and that's what I'm going to be having for dinner. So if you want to get this taste, just follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please like, share and comment, and I will be happy to read all your comments and see if you guys have anything that you guys would want to add or take away. So let me know. Thank you.